Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify. Something went wrong, have another go. So guys, when you want to play any song on your Spotify or want to do any activity on your Spotify app in your iPhone and facing this issue that is something went wrong, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys, after going to back you have to open your settings on your iPhone. And guys, after opening your settings, simply you have to open your Wi-Fi, and guys, you need to connect any Wi-Fi with your iPhone. So guys, if connected Wi-Fi, then guys you have to click on your Wi-Fi name and forget this network. And guys, after this you have to reconnect it again or turn on your mobile data. And guys, after this simply you have to go back, open your settings again, scroll it below, click on general. And guys, maybe there is network problem, simply you have to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys, you need to reset your network settings. And after this you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any kind of VPN here, you need to disconnect that VPN. And after doing this you have to go back. And guys, simply you have to click on language and region, and guys, you need to select your region according to your country. And after this you have to check your date and time, make sure that date and time is set on automatically. And guys, after doing this you have to go back. So guys, after doing all the methods, if still not fix your problem, then you have to open your app store on your iPhone. And guys, after opening your app store, simply you have to search Spotify app, and you need to update your app if not updated. And after doing this you have to open your settings again, click on general, click on iPhone storage. And guys, after this you have to wait, scroll it below, here is the option of Spotify. Simply you have to offload your Spotify app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again and log in again your account. And after this guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.